What's up, guys? Week 2 of this bike build. Didn't really explain it last week because I just got excited and started filming and tearing this thing apart. But basically, we're doing a bike build championship, hence the BBC over there, bike build championship with Kale Makem. If you don't know, Kale does a whole heap of like raffles for bikes. You can win a heap of bikes, coaches and podcasts and all that good stuff. So if you haven't already seen Kale's stuff, jump on his page, Instagram, YouTube, and you'll get a bit of a gist of what's going on. But basically, we're building some bikes. There's 4 of us, myself, John Pruddy, Cody Alone, Trent Morgs. We're all building bikes. At the end of it, we're going to have like a fan vote to pick a winner of these bikes. And then the winner's bike, this one, it gets raffled off. So you guys have a chance to win one of the bikes that we build, which is pretty sweet. So everyone that likes, subscribes, follows along, you will all get a chance to win this bike, which is pretty sweet. So yeah, that's basically the gist of what's going on right now and the whole reason we're building these bikes. Kale's obviously supplied the bikes and given us a budget to build, which is sweet because who doesn't want to build a bike with someone else's money? So yeah, so we're right now we're just waiting on parts pretty much. First box of parts from MX Store. You see up here, these guys, is rocking up today. So we'll get that shortly, unbox it, show you guys what it is, just kind of like the first chunk of stuff that's coming in. We're gonna go take some of these parts down here on the ground to get coated today. And then the wheels are ordered, clamps are ordered, a heap of stuff is ordered. You can see on my list right here, a lot of this stuff's already ordered. So yeah, we're cruising along nicely. And yeah, we'll just take you guys along with me and show you guys the journey of a subpar mechanic trying to build a bike. Sweet, so swing arm, obviously getting done black. Chuck that in. Calipers, not too sure what exact color I'm gonna do with these. I really want to keep the Brembo chrome, like, because it looks really sick when these things get coated and the Brembo stays chrome. So see what we can come up with that. We'll do the engine mounts, and then this plastic bit here, which is underneath the airbox, is probably the part that I've struggled finding the most, is a black one. So still trying to track one of those down. If worst comes to worst, we might get this painted like properly, but we'll hopefully get a plastic one for that, because it goes underneath the back on the airbox. So but yeah, that's the plan. So we'll take all this stuff and get it coated today, so should be sweet. Got to mention all of this stuff here that's getting done is going to Craig Marshall, CMC, Craig Marshall Concepts. Follow him on Instagram. He builds some sick stuff here in Adelaide. He's probably one of the kind of the OG bike coaters, powder coaters here in Adelaide, Cerakotas. So going to him for that stuff. If I get this painted, I'll probably take it to my mate Artini Crash. They do a whole heap of car painting and stuff. So he said that he'll be able to get that painted black if I need to, if I can't find a black one. So shout out to those guys, helping out heaps here in Adelaide. It's not the easiest place to build bikes because there's not a lot of people that do this sort of coating. So yeah, thanks to these guys. No, go around. It is cold. The tester to see how muddy it is. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Oh, fuck. Get the dog. Jump the gap. Whoa. Oh, you didn't jump it. Oh yeah, that's what they're supposed to sound like. That's just, that's how you know you're stopping. It's a signal to everyone else on the trails. I'm stopping now.
That's the natural mating call of a mountain bike rider.
The signal that you're going incredibly slow.
Alright, Burns. Oh, puddle. Oh, that was slick. Oh, it's slippery. High line. Oh. Bird. Bird. Bird is the word. Oh. You snapped your peak off. Oh. You snapped your peak. No way. How did you not just knock yourself out?
Dude, I had my head down.
You fully snapped it. That was great. That would have been. Now you look like a stupid cyclist. You look.
Oh my god.
You look like a cyclist. Oh, that's the best.
Dude, that saved the top
Oh no. Did that hurt your head?
end. Dude, that fucking cane. It's got brain.
Take two. Watch out for the tree. Yeah, we've cleared it. Woohoo. Watch out for that one. Woohoo, we did it. Oh, slippery. Tree. Holy. Oh, straight in my shoe. Oh, that's the worst.
That's the little crossing.
Woo. Gap.
Fourth.
Here. Land.
Land. Front wheel.
Land. Are you going or am I going? Oh, it's going to be so slippery. Holy. Woo. Slick. Holy ice. Woo. Yeah. Oh, sweet as manual. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're up in. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Oh, this is gonna be wet. Ooh.
smell food. Look it. Ooh. Look at that for service. 2 days. And it's already here. MX Store, thank you. Let's go. First box of parts has arrived. Thank you, MX Store, and everyone there. Literally ordered 2 days ago and it's already here. So that is the type of service that you get when you order through MX Store. Thanks. Bro is living in the future. That is wild. All right, let's get stuck in this big box of goodies from MX Store. Like I said, ordered it 2 days. It's here, ready to go. We're gonna get stuck in it. I got my knife. We're gonna open this up. As you would have seen, had a morning of mountain bike action just to fill in a bit of time while we wait for parts. I'm so far ahead of everyone else that I can actually go have fun and enjoy my life rather than trying to strip down old kite bikes. So still a bit of a haul on what we got here. Big box of goodies from MX Store. Just rip it open like Christmas. That is the good stuff. Now kids, always be safe with knives. Don't do anything with the blades out. Always use it correctly. Open up, see what we got here now. I'll show you guys what we got. This is kind of just the first batch of parts, just to give me a bit of something to do over the next week while we wait for some other parts to get done and sent. So let's get stuck into it. All right, let's see what we got first up. So we got some levers, ARC levers, best in the business. I've been running these levers for a long time. Lusty helped me out obviously with the ARC. Got these through MX Store. They are a must for me on a bike. Anytime I get a brand new bike, I put these bad boys on, never have a problem. So we got some of those. Now Zeta is obviously hooking us up with these bike builds. I got some plastic bolts to do most of the plastics on this bike, just some orange ones to mix in. So they're sweet. I'm getting some more Zeta stuff sent to me soon. The guys at Monza are obviously hooking us up with some Zeta hard parts, so that's rad. These ones I'm pretty excited about. Some carbon fiber from P3 frame guards. These look real nice. I've seen these on a few bike builds and they look super clean, so stoked with those ones. What else we got here? Some foot pegs, some titanium foot pegs. This is like stuff that I don't even get myself for my own race bikes because I don't have the money to do it. But when we've got a budget and it's not my budget, I can go and get some nice foot pegs. So these things look nuts. Ballard's titanium foot pegs, also from MX Store. Like I said earlier in my first video, Ballard's tool bags are the go. I will be doing all the work on this bike with that tool bag, especially putting these pegs on. They are sick and they will cut you open real fast. So watch out for those. Stoked on those. Let's see what else we have here. Some plastics. This is some black plastics. Yeah, so basically like the theme of the bike is going to be a lot darker than what it is now. I won't show you guys too much on the graphics and everything until it's all done. Just don't want to give too much away, so you're going to have to keep following along to see the final outcome. But yeah, pretty much that's the first lot of plastic bits and pieces, plastics there for this build. Like I said, I got a heap more coming for this bike. I got some parts from the UK, some stuff coming from America, some other nice fancy bits and pieces, few special headlight stuff coming that gets 3D printed here in SA. So plenty of cool stuff going on this build. Just got word today that the wheels are being done and laced up this week or early next week, so that's cool. And the graphics are getting designed as well at the moment. So it's all coming together. I'm actually stoked on this thing. This bike is obviously, being brand new, has been really good to work on so far. So happy days. I'm stoked. We'll get into chucking some of these parts on already while we wait for everything else. And yeah, we are cruising. Well, that's another day done on the build. Obviously had the levers, so got the levers on, the black handguards, got the pegs on, and yeah, ticking off some parts off the list. So yeah, it doesn't look like much is happening right now, but there's a whole heap of stuff coming in and getting coated, and then all of a sudden this thing's going to be back together and looking like a complete bike again. So yeah, pretty short video this week, but in the coming weeks there's going to be plenty going on. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow along, comment, all that good stuff, and support the build.